Hello. So this is an update. As you remember, I promised something that I would update this channel sometimes. It was supposed to be weekly, and I kind of have other things to do, and I was busy vacationing in Davao. Which if you're following the long format videos, there is a video of it. I'm still trying to get a story straight, and we have another addition for instead of this one and this one, we have this one. Something, but I'm using the front camera, but that's why you can't read it. But it's subscribe for the background in case I just want something on my background. I don't like stickers, and this one is just powered by an portable, the Tranyo power bank that I bought last year. Yeah, last year. This is a new one, new addition. Welcome to the family. Our readable background lights. It's kind of cool having something like this and having a stand that can reflect the lights as you can see in the video. Okay, so the update for the channel, it's good. It's going great. The decision to rip off some big TikTok videos from the internet is good, but not really going to put me on the map, which is better than just because the long format edition is me just being someone opening something or talking about something. The short format is me reposting something from TikTok. Okay, so the long format is you will see me, but if you want just some random videos on the internet, you can go to my shorts and you will see that sometimes I'm not there, and sometimes just an unboxing of receiving something items. And when you go to my long format, the videos one, because there's a videos, there's a shorts, and my shorts are really just some videos that I see on the internet that I like. Okay, so and the long format one is me doing something. It's like shorts is my personality and videos is my actual video on the internet. Okay, so if you like the shorts, you can go there, and if you don't like if you like the long format, the updates that comes every 2 to 3 months, because it's been I think 3 months since I last updated the channel on what's going on. As of right now, the format is still ongoing. If the long format, I don't post a lot, and most of my videos also is in shorts because I don't like to post so many long video when it's not really substantial and nobody really watches a lot of my long form video. And yeah, you will see a long format that I stole, but I put something in it. I just don't want to remove the watermark of the person who really work hard to it. Okay, that's all. This is the update for August 2025. Bye.